Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Wanda. Hi. In this video, I'll be using metallic chrome heat transfer vinyl. This is a beautiful metallic chrome heat transfer vinyl collection. These are available in 12 by 5 and 12 by 82 feet rolls. In this project, I'll be using this beautiful flame red. To get started, let's head over to Design Space. Here, we'll click on New Project. Click on Upload. Here you can choose from the recent uploads, or you can click on View All for more options. In my case, I'll click on View All. Scroll down till you find the image you need. Once you have it, click on it. And now click on Add to Canvas. Click on View. And there you have your image. You can change the size by going up here and changing it. Or you can go to the corner and make it smaller. Make sure to measure your blank before doing this. That way you have the perfect size and you're not wasting any vinyl. I'll be working with an extra large shirt. Therefore, I need my image to be pretty big. Click on Make. You can save it as a project. In my case, I won't. Choose to work on a mat. 12 by 12. Click on Confirm. And there we have it. We only have one color vinyl since we're using just one mat. Now let's click on Continue. Let's open our roll. In case you didn't know, it comes with some instructions, so these are pretty handy. Let's cut our vinyl. I'll be using this TecWrap Standard Tack Mat. I'll be placing my vinyl shiny side down. To set base material, I'll be selecting holographic. This will turn my mirror option on. And we're ready to cut the vinyl. All right, we're ready to do the weeding. I'll be using this teckwrap pin pen. To start weeding, you can poke on a corner, lift up, and then just start pulling your vinyl. Very careful. This vinyl feels very smooth, and as you can see, it weeds perfectly fine. I had no issues whatsoever. It is weeding beautifully. This vinyl is so smooth and so easy to weed. TecWrap says this vinyl is durable, high quality, PU vinyl that is resistant to harsh elements, easy to cut, and weed with zero hassle and clutter. All right, we're all done. Now it's time to press this on the shirt. But before I do that, I always like to check to see how the SVG looks on the shirt. Therefore, if I don't like the color of the shirt with the SVG, I can always change it then. I'm just placing it where it should go and seeing if it's as big as I want it to look on the shirt. I'll be turning the heat press on. I'll put my heat at 310 Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 seconds, like the instruction paper says. Always make sure to press your shirt before placing any vinyl on it. This will help remove the moisture. This way, your vinyl will last much longer on your shirt. You can press it for about 10 seconds. After pressing it, make sure to use a lint roller to clean out any fuzzies. Another thing I like to do is create a guideline. You can do that by folding your shirt in half, bringing the bottom pieces together, folding across, and then bringing that up to the neck. Check the top of your shirt and make sure the lines both align. This is the half of the shirt. And then press the shirt for 10 seconds, and this will create a guideline. You can use this line to center your design. I've been using this technique since I started crafting, and it's always worked for me. So you can see the line right here. I'll be using a ruler, so place it on the top. If you don't have one, you can just count 3 fingers down and place your design. Another thing I'll be doing is folding the carrier sheet in half. Make sure not to fold the vinyl. Fold the carrier sheet in half and press the carrier sheet to create a line. As you can see, there's the line. Bring it to the shirt and align it. This always works for me. You can move it around a little bit till you get it in the right spot. Once you're satisfied, you can press. I'll be going the extra mile, so I'll be measuring to make sure I have the same amount of distance on each side. This will confirm that it's centered correctly. I always like to triple check my shirt before I start to press it. Once you press it, you can't go back. So I always want to make sure my shirt is perfectly aligned. And once I'm sure, I'll move the shirt up and then begin to press. I'll be pressing this, as I mentioned, 310 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds. All right. And now just wait till it cools down before you start to remove the carrier sheet. Do not remove the carrier sheet while it's still hot. Otherwise, you'll mess up the vinyl. You can put your shirt facing down on a cool surface to help cool it much quicker. You can pull the carrier sheet sideways off of the shirt, being very careful. I normally just like to roll it over very slowly. I do not rush, I just do it very slowly. This vinyl is beautiful. Just look at that shine. I don't know about you, but I'm loving this pink and red together. It's just beautiful. If you're wondering where I got this SVG, I created it using Canva. Nothing fancy, but I like the way it turned out. As for the shirt and the vinyl, this vinyl is so beautiful. This is my coquette inspiration. And here I'm just pressing it for 5 seconds just to make sure the vinyl seals onto the shirt. And voila! This is how it turned out. It turned out beautiful. Just look at that vinyl. Look at that shine. This turned out beautiful. So, if you watch to the end and you like the video, don't forget to give us a like. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.